Hello everyone and welcome back to Ryerson Spray Booth, and in this video I will tell you the difference between the first quality, second quality and the local quality automotive paint systems. It's going to be a very interesting video guys. So if you are new to this channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel. So come on, let's start the video. Now as you guys know, when you go on an automotive paint shop, the shop guy will always ask you what type of paint you need. If you need first quality, second quality or a local quality paint. Now when he asks you these questions, you will get confused and you don't know what to tell him. So today I will get rid of all the confusion, and for that I will need a board. So the first difference between a local quality, second quality and first quality paint system is local quality is cheap, second quality is less expensive, and the first quality is expensive guys. So that is the first major reason most of the people go for the local or the second quality paint system. So let's move forward and let's see what's more is there. And let's move on to the second point, and the second point is color matching is not possible at all. That's right guys. If you are using a local quality paint and if you are trying to fix a dent on your car, and if you only want to paint a panel, then it becomes very difficult to match the paint with the surrounding panels. Yes, you heard it right guys. So if you are trying to match your panels with the local quality paint, it is almost like next to impossible. But when it comes to second quality paint, which is this one, color matching can be done, but still you will see a very minor difference. And that is the reason why they are slightly less expensive. But when it comes to first quality paints, paint matching can be precise. You can match the exact paint with the surrounding panels. That is why if you want to paint only a single panel, it falls expensive. So moving on to the third point. And the third point is less coverage. Yes guys, if you are using a local quality paint, it will give you a very less coverage. Now what does that mean? It means that if you are using a first quality paint and if 100 ml of paint helps you to complete a panel, you will need at least 400 ml of local quality paint to finish that same panel. So the difference is huge guys. Think about it. You will need a lots of paint if you are using a local quality paint, but you can complete that same paint job with very less amount of paint if you use a first quality paint. But when it comes to second quality paint, it is medium coverage. Means it will not be that less also and it won't be that good also. So this falls in the medium coverage. So moving on to the fourth point, and the fourth point is not very durable. Yes guys, local quality paint is not durable at all. It will start to disintegrate after around 6 months. But when it comes to second quality paint, it is slightly more durable. It will last a slightly longer time, like a 1 year or 2 years time. But if you use a first quality paint, it is very durable and it will last you for a long time guys. So think about that as well. So moving on to the fifth point, and the fifth point is local quality paints fade very quickly. That's right guys. They will fade, they will get stains on them and they will start to look ugly very fast. But when it comes to second quality paint, it fades after some time. It will take some more time, but still they will fade and they will get stains on them. But when it comes to first quality paint, they will fade after a very long time guys. And first quality paints hardly get stained. So that was the fifth point. Let's move on to the sixth point, and the sixth point is, I'll start this time with the first quality paint system. The sixth point is the first quality paint system will give you pro finish, the mirror like finish, the finish which you see at the exhibitions, the finish that they show in the showrooms. You will get that type of finish when you use first quality paint system. But when you use the second quality paint system, the finish will not be that good. Same goes to the local quality paint system. Second quality paint system is less demanding when it comes to high quality paint jobs. And when it comes to local quality, I don't recommend them at all guys. The finish is pathetic. You will make your bike look more ugly. So that was the sixth point guys. Let's move on to the seventh point, and the seventh point is the first quality paint system is made of very high quality ingredients, and that is the reason why they smell slightly less. But they still do smell, but they smell slightly less. But when it comes to second quality paint system, the smell is medium, slightly more than the first quality. But when it comes to local quality paint system, the smell is very strong guys. So see that you use your mask when you're dealing with them. Now I have already told you so many differences guys. So if you are liking the video, see that you hit a like and comment below that you are liking this video. So let's move on to the eighth point, and the eighth point is the local quality paint system reacts very quickly. Now what does that mean? It means that if you have not cleaned the surface properly, or there is some silicone residue or something is there on the surface, if you are using a local quality paint system, it will react very fast. You will get frying, cracks in your paint system and all that stuff. But when you are dealing with the second quality paint system, you will still get the cracks, frying and all that stuff, but they will be slightly less. But when you are dealing with first quality paint system, I rarely experience any frying issues. That's why I always recommend to use the 2K primer, because I have not faced much of a problem while using the 2K primer, especially with the frying and the cracks. So it reacts very rarely. So moving on to the ninth point, and the ninth point is local quality paint system will give your vehicle a very less protection. But when it comes to second quality paint system, it will give you medium protection. But when it comes to first quality paint system, it will give you excellent protection and your vehicle will stay good for a long period of time. So guys, now you have seen all the differences and I want to know your opinion. Which paint system will you use on your vehicle? So comment below and let me know what system you will use. Will you try to save money and use the local quality, or because the first quality is too expensive, will you go for the second quality? All these things I want to know, guys. So see that you comment below and let me know. Now if you want to know what paint company falls into the local quality, what paint company falls into the second quality, and what paint company falls into the first quality paint system, then comment below and let me know, and I will try to make a video on that as well. And guys, if you want to learn auto body and painting seriously, then I have created a course on auto body and painting where I teach step by step how to do auto body and painting. And our community is growing, guys, and I want to take the community to 1 lakh people. So if you want to be a part of the community, and if you want to watch me do it, and you want to learn from it, and if you want to restore your bike, car, or just about anything else, then I have put a link in the description below. You can go there and enroll yourself. So if you like this particular video, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, bye and take care.